In this video, I will show you how to seamlessly transfer your email marketing efforts from Mailblaze to DirectIQ. For your convenience, the links to both Mailblaze and DirectIQ are in the description below so you can try them out. Firstly, let's talk about why you might want to make the switch. DirectIQ offers a range of features and tools that can enhance your email marketing campaigns, from advanced segmentation options to customizable templates and detailed analytics. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of transferring your email marketing from Mailblaze to DirectIQ. Export your subscriber list from Mailblaze. Navigate to your Mailblaze account and locate the option to export your subscriber list. Save the file to your computer in a compatible format. Sign up for a DirectIQ account. If you haven't already, head over to DirectIQ's website and sign up for an account. You can use the link in the description to access their website. Import your subscriber list to DirectIQ. Once you're logged into your DirectIQ account, find the option to import subscribers. Upload the file you exported from Mailblaze and DirectIQ will take care of the rest. Set up your email campaigns. With your subscriber list now transferred to DirectIQ, you can start creating and scheduling your email campaigns. Take advantage of DirectIQ's templates and design tools to make your emails stand out. Monitor your campaigns and analyze the results. DirectIQ provides detailed analytics that allow you to track the performance of your email campaigns. Use this data to optimize your strategies and improve your results over time. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly transfer your email marketing efforts from Mailblaze to DirectIQ and take advantage of all the features and benefits that DirectIQ has to offer. Both provide free plan with limited features. Click the link in the description to try DirectIQ for free and take your email marketing to the next level.